So, hey guys, it's Savannah. I'm going to be putting kinetic sand into my slime and see how this works. So, go follow. Ginny, what's your Ginny? Tell them your name.
Okay, so, guys,
Ginny,
let's put some in.
Ginny,
Boy, I was trying to make it.
Ginny, tell my people on the video what your name is so I can follow you.
My name is No. My number is No. You need to let it go.
I look creepy. Ginny, look in the camera. No! I'm freaking my own self with myself. So, I don't know what her name is because she won't tell me. It's no.
Torina.
It's Karina.
It's Torina. Oh my god.
It's OMG.
Torina.
No, it's Gamer Girl.
Well, you can still type in. And my brother is Ronald. Oh my god.
My goodness, Ginny. Go follow her in the description down below.
Are you really gonna put in the description?
Yeah. Wait, what is the description?
It's like
The bio.
yeah, the bio.
Is that in the comments?
No, it's not like the comment. It's like university.
I don't know what that is. So, let's get on with the video.
Okay, so I just put some slime in my slime.
Okay, so this is the kinetics. This is the sand. This is my slime.
It's like really sticky, and I got it all over my hand.
And we are gonna
Really sticky.
we are going to put some kinetic sand. It's your